Hey guys, so I am on a week of not writing, so I'm off. So in that week, I'm going to do a lot of reading, and I have got 2 book reviews to do, because I'm on my 23rd book. Can you believe that? Like, that's crazy. So, this one is first. I would just like to say that this author here, I've not read anything of hers, and this book, oh my god, this book was like literally the best book ever. So, Lily hasn't always had it easy, but that's never stopped her from working hard for the life she wants. And Ray is observant, stubborn, and maybe even a little arrogant. He's also sensitive, brilliant, and has a total soft spot for Lily. But Ray completely a vision 2 relationships is disturbing. And I have seen that this is gonna be a movie soon, and I literally can't wait. And one of the stars is she's from oh my god, what's that show? Gossip Girl, and she plays Blake. I think she's Blake Lindsay or something, I think. And I would just like to say that this book is brilliant. Not because the front cover is pink, by the way, but like, this book is literally the best. I couldn't put it down, like, literally. So yeah, that is that book review.